Hello everyone. I am Dasri Chandu, and along with my teammate Parimi Satvika, we present our major project title, Myocardial Infarction Detection from 12-lead ECG using a deep learning approach. The goal of this project is to automatically detect heart attacks using ECG signals with the help of deep learning techniques. Cardiovascular diseases are one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Early detection of myocardial infarction is very important but usually requires expert analysis of ECG signals. To solve this problem, we developed an AI-based system that can classify ECG signals into myocardial infarction, which indicates a heart attack, and non-myocardial infarction, which indicates normal condition. This dataset contains real patient ECG recordings with 12 lead signals and corresponding medical annotations. We downloaded the dataset using the WGET command and used the WFDB library to read ECG signals efficiently. Next, we preprocess the ECG signals. Then, we load the ECG signal and normalize it by subtracting the mean and dividing by the standard deviation. After normalization, we split the signal into fixed size segments using a window size of 5,000 samples. This segmentation helps the model learn patterns effectively from smaller chunks of data. Since the dataset is large, we implemented a custom data generator. This generator loads ECG data in batches instead of loading the entire dataset into memory. It processes patient folders one by one, extracts segments, assigns labels, and yields batches for training. This approach improves memory efficiency and allows training on large datasets.
The model used in this project is a hybrid deep learning model combining CNN and BiLSTM. The convolutional neural network layers extract spatial features from ECG signals. Batch normalization improves stability, and max pooling reduces dimensionality. Then, we use a bidirectional LSTM layer to capture temporal dependencies in the ECG signal. Finally, dense layers are used for classification, and a sigmoid activation function outputs the probability of myocardial infarction. The model is trained using the Adam optimizer and binary cross-entropy loss function. We train the model using the generator to efficiently feed batches of ECG segments. We also compute the number of steps per epoch based on the generator output. Since the dataset is imbalanced, we use class weights to give more importance to minority class samples. This ensures that the model does not become biased toward the majority class and improves overall performance. After training, we evaluate the model using several metrics. We calculate the confusion matrix, classification report, accuracy, and ROC AUC score. The ROC curve helps visualize the model's ability to distinguish between classes. Higher AUC indicates better performance. Instead of predicting each segment independently, we also implemented patient-level prediction. We take the average probability across all segments of a patient and make a final decision. This improves reliability and makes the system more practical for real-world healthcare applications. In conclusion, this project demonstrates how deep learning can be effectively used to detect myocardial infarction from ECG signals. The model shows good performance and can assist doctors in early diagnosis. In the future, this system can be extended with IoT devices for real-time monitoring and integrated into mobile healthcare applications.